subscribers. We're just coming on with you. Please keep them down. All the partners.
Yo, I know see a El Rico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
So my viewers, my subscribers, family subs, welcome back each and every one. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So you know what they do, so just do they do. If you're new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. And when you do subscribe, just turn on that post notification bell, put it for all, so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed up on the video, so I'll be going to watch them out, family viewers. Manners and thanks are doing so. S and G at it again. The viewers and subscribers. Yes, second layer, second paving. You know me, I say my viewers. Yeah, I shot with the Roselle Center Mass. Yes, sire. So stick and stake, you know we are going to have details. Something they don't test them. Yeah, I know we are going with details, make you see all the necessary that I think you should see. My viewers, remember, I am your eye away from home. So no matter when you're in a world, I am your eye away from home. Beautiful sea. Yeah, beautiful sea. So we catch up on the machine because as you can see them already do years already. Yes, so them on them second layer, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So the development of center must continue. So as you know, so they complete a section, complete a era, you know, it make the traffic flow more better now. So we as a motorists, in spite of all this road where you see I fix up everything, and yes, when a sister when you can go 200 no man, you know, we are going to do man. But that speed. Now that speed man, because you know what speed it goes in my viewers. So no matter the pretty road where we are getting them, so them manners in the general. Yes, my boss. Bless them. Yeah, man, no matter the pretty road where we are getting, still remember. Gosh, my viewers and subscribers, family subs. Yeah, got the road pretty and nice. We want to know day of a full joy to my viewers. Let me tell Jamaican people, let me talk to them anywhere in the world. I'm going to talk about that in Jamaican, worldwide me talk. You see Jamaica is a very beautiful place. The name Jamaica is a brand. You understand? So I feel like any government in power, what them should do just cut road. All through the hills them, just cut road. Yeah, I feel so. Just cut road because what the thing, there are so many people outside who want peace in Jamaica, who want to live here. So like, nobody not living in it, just cut road, man. For you cut road in there, I tell us that people are going to live there. People are fighting up there and going to live. You know what I say? Yeah, man, that would have loved to see, man. Any government in power just cut road in the hills, cut road all bound. Yeah, I see. The amount of people, I see the economy no go. The amount of people come here and live. You get what I say? So, let's put ourselves to the machine to catch up on the viewers. Yeah. So, you know, we are going to have the details, so just do they do. Oh, this thing is like a the machine spread wide. Wide. As you can know, say the second layer of viewers always wider. So you see when you look all over this now, you know say how far the flag lady stand up and over the set of reach viewers. Let me go an example. Hold on, stick and see, you're showing something. No. Sorry, let me tell you. Yes. Alright, look on this now, viewers. That's what we are showing. That's the first layer over there, so. Some want to understand what's really going on. That's the first layer over there, so. The switch part it stop right here, so. If you notice, it's the second layer now. You saw it all come right over here, so we see a red mark, yeah? You see, you see the red mark, that's where the second layer, that's what I'm coming with now. At this end, I go reach. While the first layer stop right here, so. So normally, the second layer always wider. You understand? As you look, you see them aisle way out here, so. Yeah. So, when they put on the second layer, motorists have more road now. Wider, better, and you know. So, that's how we have to attack them, telling them, do. No matter how they speed it. You understand, viewers? Bless upon yourself, do they do. Oh, this thing is burn up, man. Chat. Ooh. Jesus. Nossa! You hear the asphalt, you hear it a fresh. So viewers, you hear the asphalt, I don't want to go too close. It act like fire. Yo, you hear the asphalt fly, so yo, look at the man with the stone, man. The cameraman has some crazy man, you know. Yo, look at the man with the stone, man. Could have the stone and chin and look out somebody here, you know. Oh, tell us guys, sometime. Act like so Because the reason why it's saying of viewers, as we show you, if the factory or which part them take this asphalt pump, it just right here. But which part me I walk from me, it just right here, so it's just a minute walk, you know, to reach here, so you know. So you could have said at the gate them there, you know, I work, you know. You understand me answer viewers? So that's why it's so. Because it does come from a stone throw away. So this supposed to be good on the road, because when it comes steamy like this, then you know say yes. Because there's some good lifespan in it. That's the first car man for Christy. Let's have paper here run like you see the boat. You think about it, man? like one time. Alright. Alright. Alright, boss. Bless up so far. like up the video to the door.
Ready to go. Take your time, driver. When you're coming on the road, you keep your time. As you partner.
Bless. Viewers, this is not a joke thing, it's a serious thing. In case you don't know, St. Thomas gone sky high now. A lot of investment, whole heap of things are going for St. Thomas. You know. Remember me tell you, if you see the amount of land we have been prepared right now in St. Thomas, viewers and subscribers, the amount of hotel that thing making become build a St. Thomas viewers. No, I'm not joking, but a serious note viewers. Yo, may I tell you man, this was the forbidden parish. As we always say, when nobody wants to come, more people intend to leave more than ever. You understand? Now St. Thomas rise to the top. St. Thomas is a parish that everybody in Jamaica been talking about. Yes, viewers. So if you're proud of what's going on in St. Thomas, prove it by hitting that like button. Hitting the like button, viewers, show me say you're proud of what going on. And we have to big up to each and every one that come together and make it happen in St. Thomas. Big up to everybody that play their part. You understand? Who take a look around at St. Thomas here and know say yes, St. Thomas really need something need to go on at St. Thomas, and not even look alone, it is in action and do it. Big up each and every one that playing their part, that St. Thomas back on the map, because St. Thomas is drop off of the map, but you don't know that. But now St. Thomas is back on the map. Give thanks and praise. Right now, if you check the level in St. Thomas, almost every other person that you pass own a vehicle. The latest, the newest, the oldest vehicle in St. Thomas. Some vehicle are on taxi in St. Thomas right now, you can't believe it. That's where St. Thomas is right now, I tell you that. You always see an old vehicle on the road. And if you even do see one, maybe you see that for the day, and you see it for the rest of the day. Maybe you see one for the day. That's where St. Thomas is now. But a serious note, my viewers. When you do see an old vehicle in St. Thomas, maybe that's the only one you see for the day. Maybe for the week you don't see no more. Unless you're going some deep bushes in St. Thomas. Not joke thing, serious thing. So we now stop saying it, you know. Give thanks to those who look around St. Thomas and Sister St. Thomas really need it and make it happen. We love the progress. I would love it to continue right across Jamaica, you know. We don't just want it to stop at St. Thomas alone, we want it to go right across. Bless upon yourself, do the do. Hope you all enjoy this video. Continue watching, honors and respect. So the vehicle might boom up and somebody might go slow and reach the bridge. So when them asphalt the bridge and all, that no need to happen again. You understand me and say my viewers? Yes. So them are go have smooth sailing across the bridge and all. So I just see the vehicle they have to go slow. Even bike man, then drop down bululum, you know. So that now go happen again as soon as them complete the bridge. So that is good for motorists. So when them reach here, so they don't need to, yes, don't miss every speed, but you know, yes, you know, so the truck boom look a while. Yeah, because when it hit the bridge, yeah. Let's take a walk now, viewers. Let's walk with me now. Walk on the side of what them already done. Yeah. So let's just take a walk on the side of viewers what them already done so far. So yesterday the bridge, good now for motorists. Yes, what a Roselle you saw. So that little bump up what them always drive and get, now we'll get that anymore. So as we said, the second paving, you know, always broad, always wider. So they give the motorists option if they want to speed and go smoother. But that doesn't say you must speed now. It means that they're going to take on the time. Bless up to each and everyone that subscribe to my channel. Bless up to each and everyone that do the do. Bless up to each and everyone. You know, them motorists are not easy, you know. So, you should know a two line of traffic when I go and when I come. And one line, you have flag people, it's a one of your stuff. As soon as yeah, bless up to each and everyone at playing their part by growing this channel from strength to strength. Sky is the limit. Yes, sister, we are on our way to 9K. So take me there. Okay, my viewers? Bless up on yourself, you know. So now we have to come to the end of another video. Hope you all enjoyed. But a Roselle, pretty, nice, smooth sailing for motorists. Yeah. So as I say, I already know that to come to the end of another video. As I say, hope you all enjoyed. Hope you do the do. Still I love some video equipment, my viewers. Nobody want to donate any video equipment. Give thanks and praise.